Once again, welcome back to the program. ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਸੈਗਮੈਂਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਫਰਾਜ਼ ਗਿੱਲ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਬਦਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਬਦਲਦੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਸਮਝ ਸਕੀਏ ਕਿ ਸਿਰਫ ਉਹ ਪੁਰਾਣੀ ਸੋਚ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਕਿ ਕੁਝ ਜੌਬਸ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਾਪੇ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰਿੰਗ ਵਾਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਜਾਂ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਵਾਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਜਾਂ ਲਾਇਰ ਬਣਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਏ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਅੱਜ ਜ਼ਮਾਨਾ ਬਦਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਕੈਰੀਅਰਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਹੈ ਹੌਸਪਿਟੈਲਿਟੀ ਅਤੇ ਟੂਰਿਜ਼ਮ ਅਤੇ ਟਰੈਵਲ। ਇਸ ਸੰਬੰਧ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨ ਟੂਰਿਜ਼ਮ ਕਾਲਜ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਮਿਸ ਡੇਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਣਗੇ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਹੋਰ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਸ਼ਨਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅਵੇਲੇਬਲ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਲੋਕ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਬੈਨੀਫਿਟ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ ਉੱਤੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ। ਆਓ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਮਿਸ ਡੇਵੀ ਦਾ। ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ।
Thank you very much for inviting us to the
Thank
show.
you. So with the evolving things, what we are finding in the market today, it's different now. And travel, tourism and hospitality is a major field where lots of people can go and especially youngsters can go.
Yeah.
Why is this field important? How do you feel about it?
Well, especially with Canada, we're becoming much more of a destination where travelers want to come to. It's one of the top 20 destinations in the world.
Right.
Vancouver is emerging as a world-class city. So we have a lot of tourists that want to come here.
Right. So of course travel everybody wants to do and everybody enjoys traveling, but when we talk it as a career, how is it that in career you can be successful in this? And because of course as South Asians we feel that as I mentioned in the initial stages that we have a fixed mind about some particular areas where we want to send our children. So how is this career important money wise as well as career wise?
Yeah, well, it's, you know what, I think especially with travel and tourism, a lot of the students that are coming here are students that want to go to work every day and really want to enjoy what they're doing. So a lot of them want to do something that's very fun, something that they can make money in.
Right.
They want to be able to see that they can move up in this field as well. And with the growing deficit of employees, they are able to move up in these positions into management positions.
Okay. So what is the criteria for jumping into this career?
So specifically our college?
Anywhere where anybody wants to come and start pursuing this field of hospitality or in travel?
Yeah, so what we're generally looking for is always a high school diploma, and that could be from a home country as well.
Right.
And then basically you can gain admission into the college and start your training with us. And our programs go anywhere from 3 months up to 2 years. And so students, we have them come in, we assess where they're at, if they've done any previous training in their home country, then we can take a look at that and figure out what would be the best program for them to upgrade their skills with a Canadian skill set.
Okay, so if we categorize these fields, like for example hospitality, travel, airlines, so in this, is it just one particular diploma which you have to do, or there are different things which you have to do to go into especially the different sectors?
There are different diplomas. So they could be doing a travel and tourism diploma working specifically in the travel industry.
Right.
They could be doing a hospitality diploma that lets them go specifically into hotels and resort management.
Okay.
So they can really diversify themselves and figure out what is best for them.
Right. So how do you find out what's the passion of a child? Is it just somebody comes and you being the admission coordinator? So how do you look into it, a child who is coming to you for anything, which field he or she needs to go?
So we're usually looking for somebody who's passionate about the field. We're looking for somebody who's energetic, who's outgoing, and then we sit down with them and we figure out, where do they see themselves in a couple of years' time? Where does their passion lie? There's a lot of students who want to be able to work and travel at the same time,
Right.
and that's what the industry does allow for them to do. You're also able to train locally, but
Right.
work globally as well.
Okay.
And then we also have many students who want to stay here and work here, and that's definitely an option as well.
Okay. And generally again, when we talk about travel or tourism, a thing which came into my mind is that as a tour guide you are with a person and telling them about the places, or you are sitting behind the counter filling up getting them tickets and all that.
Yeah.
Are these the only things, or there are other various options available whereby, as you said, locally as well as globally you can work?
Yeah, you know what? There are so many options. So students basically go everywhere in the industry. So our students will go work as flight attendants. Some of them go work specifically doing grounds positions at the airport. Some of them work in major hotels. Some of them work in hotels overseas. They go work in travel agencies, tour companies.
Right.
So the options for them are really endless.
And as more and more people have started traveling, what is the future of this particular field?
Well, currently there is a deficit with employees.
Okay.
So there are more jobs than there are employees to fill them.
Right.
So that's why we're seeing a lot of our students are getting jobs, if not in school. While they're in school, they're getting them right when they graduate.
Right.
So the field is growing. Canada is only becoming a bigger destination to come to. So lots and lots of jobs in the industry, and it's an exciting time to be entering the industry right now.
And colleges like Canadian Tourism College and others, practical. What about the practical training? Of course, there is a theoretical training which you give, but what about the practice?
Yeah, so we are actually a very career-driven college, and so we are really training you, for the job.
Right.
And so it's just much more career-driven. We do a lot of career development with you as well. So that way, we want to see our graduates have a job right when they graduate.
Okay. And Devi, is there also scope for further, climbing the ladder? You join somewhere. So what's the scope? When you start from somewhere, can you, within your own field, go up also in that particular field?
Absolutely, yeah. So a lot of our graduates, we're seeing them in management positions now, coming back to the college to hire our students to work for them. So absolutely, and like I said, because there's so many jobs available right now, a lot of skilled professionals are moving up quicker in the industry.
Right. The cruise industry is also quite developing now, and lots of people want to travel in cruises.
Yeah.
So once you get a training in this particular field, you can also go into that field also?
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely.
Again, what are the challenges which you are seeing, what the students face in this? And again, of course, achievements you have talked. But what about the challenges? Is it anyone who is interested, who has a passion for travel, can be successful in this field?
Absolutely. If they have a passion for the job, if they are outgoing, energetic, those are the types of people
Right.
that fit the industry, right? Because they're trying to make this a great place for tourists to come to, and they're providing that high level of customer service for tourists.
And towards the end, if somebody wants some free information, where they can contact you?
Yeah, absolutely. So they can give us a call at the college, 604-582-1122, or they can email me directly, enrollment@tourismcollege.com.
Thank you very much and best wishes.
Thank you.
ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਮਿਸ ਡੇਵੀ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੁਣ ਕੈਰੀਅਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਪਰਸਿਊ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ ਟਰੈਵਲ ਹਸਪਿਟੈਲਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਇਹ ਫੀਲਡਸ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਪ੍ਰਚਲਿਤ ਹੋ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਹੁਣ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਸ਼ੌਂਕ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਟਰੈਵਲ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ, ਤੇ ਇਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਫੀਲਡਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਕੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਕਾਲਜਸ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਾਲਜ ਹੈਗਾ, ਉਹ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਗਾਈਡੈਂਸ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਤੇ ਹਾਈ ਸਕੂਲ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਹੀ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਡਿਪਲੋਮਾ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਜੌਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੈ ਸਿਰਫ ਇੱਕ ਪੈਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ, ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਟ੍ਰੇਨਿੰਗ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਈਜ਼ੀਲੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜੌਬਸ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ।